Why is uniform tire pressure key for truck tire balancing? Imagine driving down the highway and feeling every bump and vibration in your steering wheel. That's often a sign that your truck tires aren't balanced properly. One of the biggest factors in achieving smooth, safe driving is keeping tire pressure even across all your tires. When tire pressure is uniform, each tire supports the load equally and responds the same way to road forces. This consistency helps keep the tires and wheels balanced, which is vital for your truck's performance. If some tires have lower pressure than others, they deform more under load. This uneven deformation causes imbalanced forces that lead to vibrations and uneven tire wear. Over time, these issues can make handling tricky and even cause damage to the suspension or steering components. Proper tire pressure also helps maintain the correct vertical stiffness of each tire. Vertical stiffness is how much a tire resists deformation when weight is applied. When all tires have the same pressure, they respond uniformly, making balancing easier and more effective. If pressures are uneven, balancing becomes a challenge because each tire behaves differently under load. This can cause vibrations that travel through the steering wheel and chassis, making driving uncomfortable and tiring for the driver. Keeping tire pressure consistent also slows down tire wear. When tires are unevenly worn, they can wear out up to 25% faster, leading to more frequent replacements and higher costs. Properly balanced tires with correct pressure improve fuel efficiency by reducing rolling resistance. When tires are balanced and inflated properly, they roll more smoothly, which saves fuel and reduces emissions. Regular checks of tire pressure are part of good truck maintenance. It's recommended to check pressures at least once a week, especially before long trips. Using a reliable tire pressure gauge and following the manufacturer's recommended levels is essential. When tires are checked and inflated to the right pressure, balancing becomes more effective. This is because the weight distribution around the wheel is more uniform, making the balancing process easier and more accurate. Tire balancing involves adding small weights to the wheel to correct uneven weight distribution. For this process to work well, all tires need to have similar pressure. If pressures are off, the weights won't balance the wheel properly, and vibrations may persist. Maintaining uniform tire pressure helps ensure that all tires support the load evenly, respond uniformly to road forces, and stay balanced longer. It reduces vibrations, improves handling, and makes your truck safer and more comfortable to drive. It also keeps your tires in better shape for longer, saving you money in the long run. So, always remember to check your tire pressure regularly and keep it consistent across all your tires. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in your truck's performance and your safety on the road.